Welcome! If you want to showcase your professional experience or connect with colleagues, adding your workplace to your Facebook profile is a great way to do it. In today's video, I'll walk you through the latest steps to add your workplace on the Facebook app using your PC following the newest update. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in to your account so you can access all the features. Next, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will take you directly to your personal profile page, where you can manage all your details. Once you're on your profile, find the About section. It's usually located beneath your cover photo or in the menu on the left side. Click on About to see all the information you can edit about yourself. Now, scroll down or look for the Work and Education section. This is where you can add details about your current and past workplaces, as well as your educational background. Click on Work and Education to continue. Here, you'll see an option to Add a Workplace. Click on this button to start entering your job details. A form will appear where you can fill in all the relevant information about your workplace. Enter the name of your company, your position, the city or location, and the time period you worked there. You can also add a description to highlight your role or achievements. Take your time to make sure everything is accurate. Once you've filled out all the fields, double-check your information. When you're ready, click Save to add your workplace to your profile. That's it. Your workplace information is now visible on your Facebook profile, making it easier for friends, colleagues, and potential employers to see your professional background. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.